Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y20s and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see here we have the photo size, so when we pick this we can manage the ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3 ratio, let's change this to full. And let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, the background has changed to the full one. Now let's go again to the settings in the right corner and to the photo size, and let's move to 16:9 ratio, and let's go again to the camera, and this is how it looks like, this ratio 16:9. Once again let's go to the right corner to the photo size. We can also pick here 1:1, and in the camera preview we can see that this is the square one. And of course, to go back to the original one, 4:3, we have to simply tap again on this button in the right corner, pick photo size, and pick once again 4:3. And to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.